Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI image generation. I'll be introducing and showing how to use 8 powerful tools that can be accessed without subscription. To compare these tools, I have generated images in 3 styles: hyper-realistic portrait, fantasy illustration and minimalist conceptual art using the same 3 prompts. So let's dig in. The first tool is Dall-E, which is a built-in tool in ChatGPT, making it super easy to create image. All you need to do is type in simple prompt like create an image and the tool takes care of the rest. It's perfect for beginners because it doesn't require any extra application or installations. Just use it directly in your browser. If you're using the free version, you can create up to 3 images per day. This tool is great for anyone who wants to quick and simple image generation without needing design skills. It produces high quality realistic images and even allows you to explore different artistic styles. However, there are some limitations. Customizing images for highly specific designs can be tricky, and sometimes the results aren't perfect with the complex prompts. Another drawback is that there is no built-in way to save or organize your past creation, which can make retrieval a bit challenging. Overall, Dall-E in ChatGPT is a user-friendly option that is ideal for beginners looking to explore AI image creation with minimal setup. Now I will show you the photos that were created with ChatGPT. The second tool is Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is a part of Adobe's Creative Suite designed for generating high quality images. While it's easy to use, finding the right section to start creating images the first time was annoying and took me some time. Free users get 25 generative credits per month and each image generation costs 1 credit. And we noticed that downloading for free users comes with the Adobe Firefly logo included. This tool is ideal for designers or anyone already familiar with Adobe's software. It integrates seamlessly with other Adobe tools, making it a great addition for professionals. Adobe Firefly produces visually stunning, photorealistic images and is beginner-friendly, allowing for quick and efficient image creation. That said, there are some drawbacks. Customization is limited due to the present styles and templates, and since the tool is still in beta, you might encounter occasional bugs. Additionally, it is entirely browser-based, so a stable internet connection is required for it to work smoothly. Overall, Adobe Firefly is a powerful option for creating professional-looking images, especially if you're already using Adobe suite of tools. It was also one of my favorites when creating the images. Here are the photos that were created with Adobe Firefly. The third tool is Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is a user-friendly tool, though image generation can take a bit longer compared to others. It stands out for its versatility, offering a wide range of modes and customizations before generating images. Free users get 150 tokens daily, with each image costing about 24 tokens to create. This web-based application is perfect for game design, marketing visuals, and conceptual art. It requires you to create an account to get started. Leonardo AI is highly versatile, making it an excellent choice for creative professionals. It also features an AI canvas with advanced editing tool, giving users more control over their creation. However, there are some limitations. The token system can restrict users who need to generate a large number of images frequently. New users might find the many features and options a bit overwhelming at first. And the quality of the output may vary based on the input and settings you choose. Overall, Leonardo AI is a powerful and flexible tool, particularly for creating professional visuals in the field like game design and marketing. Here are the images produced by Leonardo AI. The fourth tool is Canva AI. Canva AI is a web-based design platform that works seamlessly with other Canva projects, making it perfect for quick and simple designs. However, the free version has some limitations. Free users are given 50 lifetime credits, and each image generation uses 1 credit. This tool is great for creating designs for social media, presentations, and other straightforward projects. Canva AI features an interface that's extremely easy to use, even for beginners. It also offers a vast library of templates, helping users create designs quickly. On the downside, Canva AI has limited customization options, giving users less creative freedom compared to more specialized tools. Its AI features are relatively basic, lacking the advanced capabilities of dedicated image generators. Additionally, since it's web-based, it requires a stable internet connection. Overall, Canva AI is a beginner-friendly tool that's perfect for simple and fast design needs, especially for social media or team collaboration. Now, let's check out the results for Canva AI. The fifth tool is NightCafe. NightCafe is a browser-based tool that's simple to use but can feel a bit cluttered due to frequent notifications and pop-ups. Free users are given 5 daily credits, and each image generation costs about 0.5 credits. This tool is great for community-focused projects and experimenting with various artistic styles. It doesn't require any installation, and both free and paid plans are available. NightCafe encourages collaboration and creativity through its active community, and it supports multiple AI models, allowing users to explore a wide range of styles and outputs. Additionally, free users can create unlimited base-level images, making it accessible for casual use. However, the quality of results can be inconsistent and depend heavily on the AI model and prompt you choose. The interface can also feel overwhelming at times, with its busy layout and constant activity. Overall, NightCafe is a fun and versatile tool for exploring AI-generated art, especially if you enjoy engaging with a creative community. Now, let's take a look how NightCafe brought the prompts to life. The sixth tool is Stable Diffusion. Stable Diffusion is a powerful and flexible image generation tool that's surprisingly easy to use. Free users get 10 daily credits, with each image costing 1 credit. Though downloads for the free users include the Stable Diffusion logo. This tool is available both as a web-based platform and as a local installation. The web version is beginner-friendly, while the local installation is geared more towards advanced users, offering full control over the image generation process. As an open source platform, it benefits from community-driven improvements and frequent updates, making it favorite for those who want to deep dive into customization. One of the Stable Diffusion's biggest strengths is the ability to handle detailed prompts, giving users significant creativity control. However, there are some downsides. Running it locally requires high-end hardware, and setting it up can be a bit technical. The learning curve is steeper for those aiming to get most out of its advanced features. Overall, Stable Diffusion is ideal for users who want both flexibility and control, whether they are casual creators using the web version or advanced users seeking a more hands-on experience with the local installation. Here's what Stable Diffusion created from the prompts. The seventh tool is Runway ML. Runway ML is primarily known for video editing, but it also supports image creation. When you sign up, you get 125 one-time credits, with each image costing 5 credits. Out of all the tools I tested, this was my least favorite. This web-based platform is designed for multimedia creators who need to integrate video and image workflows. It requires you to create an account to get started. Runway ML offers unique video integration features and supports real-time collaboration, making it useful for teams working on multimedia projects. However, the platform's advanced features can feel complex and intimidating for beginners. Additionally, many of its features require subscription, which may not be ideal if you're looking for a free option. Overall, Runway ML is a specialized tool best suited for multimedia creators who need both video and image editing capabilities, but it might not be the first choice for beginners focused solely on image creation. Let's check out how Runway AI transformed the prompt into visuals. The last tool that we are going to cover is Artbreeder. Artbreeder is a unique and collaborative AI art generation tool that focuses on genetic image manipulation. It allows users to create, remix, and evolve visual art by blending image or adjusting specific traits. Completely free and easy to use. Artbreeder doesn't require sign up for basic features, just type a prompt and it automatically generates an image. For me, this tool felt like a hidden gem. It's fast, intuitive, and incredibly fun to use. Artbreeder's standout features include interactive sliders that let you adjust images attributes like gender, age, or style with ease. The platform supports various artistic genres, from landscapes to portraits, giving users a lot of creative freedom. What really makes Artbreeder special is community sharing aspect. Users can remix each other's creation, fostering a collaborative environment that's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. The way Artbreeder works is equally fascinating. It uses genetic algorithm where you breed new images by combining features from existing ones. While it doesn't offer precise control over outputs, it excels in encouraging creative exploration through intuitive adjustments. This makes it ideal for experimenting with new ideas, especially in the areas like character design or creating unique visuals. For beginners, Artbreeder is especially appealing because of its simplicity. Minimal technical knowledge is needed, and it's completely free for most features, with optional premium upgrades. It's an engaging way to experiment with digital art, boosting creativity in a playful and interactive environment. Overall, Artbreeder stands out for its focus on creativity and collaboration rather than technical customization. It's an excellent starting point for anyone curious about AI-generated art, whether you're an artist or just exploring something new. Let's check out the results for Artbreeder. That's it for today's tutorial and comparison of these awesome AI image tools. I hope you learned something new and feel excited to explore these platforms on your own. Before we finish, I put together a quick side-by-side look at the images created from the same 3 prompts across all 8 tools. Take a moment to check them out and see which style or tool you like the most. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss new AI tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments which tool you're excited to try or which one surprised you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.